एक काम जॉब करने वाला वर्कर्स वर्किंग कैटेगरी वॉट एवर मे बी द वर्कर राइट। लाइफ को भी गारंटी नहीं है, वारंटी के साथ भगवान ने नहीं भेजा है।
At least, it's a political money pictures you see, they don't quite capture the enormity and the energy of Dubai.
If you want to hit, don't quit.
We're disciplined enough to stick with something when it got hard. And that is not a network marketing conversation. That is a you problem. Take some accountability. Like, when something is hard, and I feel it, I just don't go, no. I go, ooh, we have a challenge. Now, I ask my...
जब तक आप जीरो डाउन नहीं करेंगे, कुछ करने का जीरो डाउन। Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there.
All going to be win, win, win. There's going to be some tough times. There's going to be some challenging times. This business, like any entrepreneurial business, can be lonely. It can be emotional.
आप वर्किंग क्लास के सोच में मालिक बनना सोचता है, वो कभी नहीं होगा।
It's about connecting the dots.
Steve Jobs, founder of Apple.
I dropped out with a college lawyer and his wife. Except that when I popped out,
Steve Jobs died a billionaire at the age of 56 with a capital of $7 billion from
And what is success? Success for me is never about winning a crown or winning any pageant or winning any competition. Sure, success for me, I have seen failures in every step of these achievements. I have failed once, I have failed twice and thrice. But you know, waking up again the next day morning and having a new hope again is what made me stand again in front of you all.
जब तक आप फेल होने को तैयार नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ कहीं भी आप नहीं रुकेंगे। कहीं क्या ये पागल फ्रीडम फ्रीडम चलाता है, फ्रीडम क्या है, वो क्या मोदी को निभा क्या है जायजा।
और इसका ऊपर एक इंट्रोडक्शन का जरूरी नहीं है, आपको मालूम है क्यों आप इधर बैठ रहे और कितना नया लोग हैं इधर, बहुत ज्यादा है। प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर एंड वेलकम योरसेल्फ। सबको DXN दुबई के लिए स्वागत करता हूं। और टुडे हमारा बीच में एक विशिष्ट व्यक्ति है, सबको मालूम है कौन है। ये इंडिया का पहले मेंबर है और फर्स्ट क्राउन एम्बेसडर भी है, बहुत लोगों का मेंटर भी है हमारा विशिष्ट व्यक्ति। और मैं बुलाना चाहता हूँ द फर्स्ट क्राउन एम्बेसडर, the first member of DXN Middle East, DXN India, and the person who mentored so many trainers, and the person who is reason behind DXN Middle East and so many other countries. Please put your hands together and welcome Professor
कैसे है सर ये?
फैंटास्टिक सर,
अच्छा है।
फैंटास्टिक सर, फैंटास्टिक।
कितना लोग का अच्छा नहीं है। इसमें कितना लोग आज नहीं कंसिस्टेंटली सीरियस है कुछ करने के लिए? सीरियस है सभी? सीरियस है। कुछ करना है दूसरों के लिए नहीं, अपने लिए आपका लाइफ के लिए कुछ करना। बिकॉज आप जो करते हैं अभी वो दूसरे के लिए करते हैं, आपके लिए नहीं। कितना लोग जॉब आपके लिए करता है? हाथ उठाओ। आपके लिए जॉब करता है। I am going to work every day morning for me. आपका बॉस के लिए करता है, आपके लिए नहीं, मुझे मानिए। आपके लिए काम जॉब करने वाला वर्कर्स वर्किंग कैटेगरी वॉट एवर मे बी द वर्कर राइट फ्रॉम ऑर्डिनरी मेसन लेबर डेली वेज अर्नर्स से लेकर बड़े बड़े डॉक्टर्स लॉयर्स साइंटिस्ट कहाँ भागते हैं मुझे मालूम है, अस्पताल से लेकर सारा करनी। बिकॉज एवरीवेयर इट विल बी फायर एंड फायर। आपका असेसमेंट होता है किसको खुश रखना, कितना दिन खुश रखेंगे, बॉस को, सुपीरियर को। You have to satisfy a lot of people. to consistently stay in job. Any job is an automatic process. एक बार आप ज्वाइन हो गए तो एक समय में गवर्नमेंट जॉब इस तरह था सर्टन कंट्रीज में, इंडिया में ये भी 50 वर्ष के पहले हैं, 40 वर्ष के पहले एक बार गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिली तो हमने कंफर्ट जोन में बैठेंगे, एवरी मंथ तनख्वाह आएंगे, मंथ एंड काम करो ना करो, फाइल उठाओ नहीं उठाओ, टीच करो नहीं करो, कोई भी डिपार्टमेंट. I used to see that while I was professor of economics in Madras. A lot of people in the government sector, government jobs, even in the universities, schools, high schools. Morning they come, sign and go. I don't know whether same situation, but it is now it has become tightened, belt is tightened everywhere. Means government job means comfort zone. आप लोग नहीं निकालेंगे. आज all governments are, and what did Trump did? कितना लोगों का निकाला? Government job से कितना लोगों को? Not private sector, corporate sector. As remote, roughly 2.1 million people. एक ही जिसमें तुम सभी जाओ, इधर जाओ, 6 महीने से तनख्वाह दूंगा, लेकर जाओ, जाने का मना करे तो वो भी नहीं मिलेंगी, टर्मिनेट करना. It is supposed to be the richest country in the world. Why is supposed to be? Even now. Living small countries, one of the highest with GNP, gross national product, per capita income. I think America comes 7th or 8th, whatever it may be. Some of the small countries have, because of the oil rich countries like Dubai, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, they have the higher Singapore. A few countries, because the small countries, even Brunei, one of the highest per capita. I'm an economist. Learn from me. कुछ करना है तो आपका लेखा बदलना है तो, नहीं तो there is no use. What I would like to tell you is, even richest country, there is no guarantee of jobs. There is no security. And there is no question of security in the private sector. Private sector is always highly competitive, cutthroat competition we call it. मैं देखता था, किसी ने बताया मुझे सर, मुझे 15,000 दिरहम था, गुड जॉब, 15,000 दिरहम का तनख्वाह बहुत गुड जॉब है यहाँ. Almost he has worked last 15-20 years more than. He has been removed, not in Corona, now recently. He was telling me, weeping with me. I told it will happen, no question. क्यों? किसी ने आया 8,000 दिरहम को, वही काम को, वही क्वालिफिकेशन, वही एक्सपीरियंस, because he has been thrown out from somewhere else. उसको बाहर किसी ने कहीं सेक्टर से, दूसरा कंपनी से निकाला, यहाँ वो आधा सैलरी को आगे कर रहे, इसीलिए इसको निकाल दिया 15,000 को 8,000 में. ये 8,000 वाले को कितना 5,000 को आएंगे, उसको निकालेंगे. That is the reality of life.
Yes, sir.
जब तक इसके बारे में आप सोचेंगे नहीं, आप इस तरह लड़ना नहीं, आप, I know that people are very frustrated, depressed, they go for depression. कल क्या होंगे, कल क्या होंगे, there is no guarantee. Of course, there is no guarantee to anybody, anything. ये लाइफ को भी गारंटी नहीं है, वारंटी के साथ भगवान ने नहीं भेजा है. सबको वारंटी होता है. छोटा मोटा चीज को आप खरीदे तो वॉच खरीदे तो वारंटी होता है, फोन खरीदे तो वारंटी होता है, ये कुकर खरीदे तो वारंटी होता है. एनीथिंग बाय वारंटी पीपल आर. क्या ये लाइफ को वारंटी है?
नहीं
नहीं है। भगवान ने फॉर्चुनेटली नहीं भेजा वारंटी के साथ, नहीं तो हमको मालूम होता था हम कम मर जाएंगे, इससे पहले सबको खत्म करके जाता था। अभी मालूम नहीं है, इसलिए थोड़ा चलो गया। What I would like to tell you is, it is uncertain. Everything is uncertain. What is certain? जो आप आज है वो सर्टन है। ये वक्त सर्टन है, हम जिंदा हैं।
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट मोमेंट वी डोंट नो। फिलोसफिकली बातें करें तो नेक्स्ट मोमेंट ऊपर वाले का हाथ में है। थोड़ा दिन मुझसे रखो यार, इतना जल्दी लेकर नहीं जाना, कुछ करना है, अच्छा लोगों को छोड़ेंगे थोड़ा दिन। इसीलिए व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू इज, life goes on. Nobody will think about themselves. Everybody is running for somebody. सभी लोगों ने भागते हैं दूसरे के लिए, उसके बारे में सोचने को इसके साथ एक सेकंड भी नहीं होता है। उसके बारे में नहीं सोचते, लेकिन चलते ही रहेंगे। कितने लोगों ने आपके बारे में, आप सुबह उठकर सोचता है आपके बारे में, खुद के बारे में, खुद के चेंजेस के बारे में, खुद का डेवलपमेंट के बारे में, खुद का ग्रोथ के बारे में, खुद का सिक्योरिटी के बारे में, खुद का टाइम, मनी, सिक्योरिटी, फ्रीडम के बारे में, खुद का लाइफ को बदलने के बारे में कितना लोग सोचता है? आप ये तो सोचता है? अभी डेक्सन का आने के पहले ट्रेनिंग के बाद में सोचना शुरू किया, आई थिंक सो। पहले से थे तो सब बदलते थे, आप ये हालत में नहीं रहते थे। मुझे मालूम नहीं है आपका लाइफ कितना है, कितना कमाता है, कितना, व्हाट इज योर स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग, आई डोंट नो। आप पहले सोचिए तो थोड़ा ऊपर चलते थे, वो हालत में नहीं रहेंगे। बहुत लोगों ने सोचकर ही वो बदलते हैं, काम करते हैं। इसीलिए लोगों ने जो आते हैं जाते हैं, लाइक यू नो, जिस दुनिया को आते हैं ऊपर जाते हैं, वो भी है। सभी सेक्टर में आते हैं जाते हैं, आते हैं जाते हैं, आते हैं जाते। They don't know, they are not fixed, they don't know why they are there, and वो क्या करने वाला है वहाँ। बिकॉज लोग बताते हैं सर मैंने 20 वर्ष से हूँ, यहाँ 30 वर्ष से हूँ, 40 वर्ष में, किसी को मैं देखता हूँ 50 वर्ष में हूँ दुबई में, क्या किया? देखना चाहते हैं? I can open it.
Sheikh nestled along the Persian Gulf on the eastern edge of the Arabian Peninsula and part of a tiny oil-rich country called the United Arab Emirates. Over the course of just a few decades, it's transformed itself from a spit of sand about the size of Rhode Island into the Singapore of the Middle East.
It's a political. Many pictures you see, they don't quite capture the enormity and the energy of Dubai. It is a physical manifestation of Arab oil wealth set in concrete, glass, and steel. A place so rich and ambitious that it is changing the geography of the world.
जब तक आपका सपना मर गया कुछ भी होने वाला नहीं। सपना को जिंदा रखकर काम होना, तो भी वो नॉट छोटे मोटे ड्रीम, वो कोई भी कर सकता है। ये कोई कोट खरीदना, एक जूता खरीदना, इसके लिए लेकर नो आई एम आस्किंग यू। Also, I am not saying that it is not important, expensive. This is 30,000 dirham. मालूम है ना? पर क्या? Yes, but it is expensive. If I wear like this, also small amount. In this coat, my life cannot change हो सकता है, मालूम हो गया? But what you have done to accumulate the wealth, creating wealth, what you have to learn from these people is how to create wealth with a big dream. वो सोच हो गई तो आज का टॉपिक क्या दिया है मैंने? एवरी वीक आई गिव ए न्यू टॉपिक. दोस्त हु कम दे डेवलप, ये फ्री है, इसीलिए दे डोंट वैल्यू इट. Could you understand?
Yes.
Yes. What did I give you the topic?
Don't quit.
Huh?
Don't quit.
Don't quit. उसके पहले क्या है? If you want to hit, don't quit.
Of course.
If you want to hit the target, hit the goal. It means किसी को मारना था.
Yes. Yes, yes.
If you want to hit the target, don't quit. These people are alive with their dreams. They don't quit. You lose because you quit. Quitters won't win. Winners won't quit. Quitting is easy. Quitting is very easy.
Disciplined enough to stick with something when it got hard. And that is not a network marketing conversation. That is a you problem. Take some accountability. Like, when something is hard, and I feel it, I just don't go, no. I go, ooh, we have a challenge. Now, I ask myself then, why is this hard for me? What skill sets am I missing that if I would learn them, this would be easier for me? Because successful people look for solutions, they don't look for problems. And unsuccessful people are the first people to find the problems. Their brain becomes a vacuum. Everything around you is doom and gloom. Everything's falling apart. Your partner sucks. Your kids are bad. Your money's wrong. Your health is out the window. Everything's bad. Everything's bad. Everything's bad. Everything's bad. Well, then why does it seem like everything is good for people? Right? Because it's a vacuum of positivity. It's a vacuum solution.
15 कंपनी को जंप किया, यहाँ से वहाँ बंद रखे तरह. For example, I tell you, nowhere there stay. जब तक आप जीरो डाउन नहीं करेंगे, कुछ करने का जीरो डाउन. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there.
Yes, ready.
Very important. If you're involved in network marketing, it's not all going to be sunshine and rainbows. It's not all going to be great days. It's not all going to be success. It's not all going to be win, win, win. There's going to be some tough times. There's going to be some challenging times. This business, like any entrepreneurial business, can be lonely. It can be emotional. There can be big swings up and down. But here's what I've got to tell you. Through all of those ups and downs, it's worth it. Network marketing is not perfect. It has its challenges. But if you have an entrepreneurial bone in your body, it's better.
आप वर्किंग क्लास के सोच में मालिक बनना सोचता है, वो कभी नहीं होंगे. मालिक बनने के लिए गियर शिफ्ट होना. कहां से वर्किंग क्लास टू एंटरप्रेन्योर. वर्कर टू ओनर. फ्रॉम मालिक का सोच क्या होता है? मालिक का सोच वर्कर की तरह होता है? नहीं. ये मालिक है. अभी देगा सभी सबको आप देखता है, वो सभी लोग मालिक है. बिग बिजनेसमैन.
Big for my life. That's it. No big deal. Just 3 stories.
Who is it?
The first story is about connecting the dots.
Steve Jobs, founder of Apple.
I dropped out of Reed College after the first 6 months, but then stayed around as a drop-in for another 18 months or so before I really quit. So why did I drop out?
Drop out.
It started before I was born. My biological mother was a young, unwed graduate student, and she decided to put me up for adoption.
She abandoned.
She felt very strongly that I should be adopted by college graduates, so everything was all set for me to be adopted at birth by a lawyer and his wife. Except that when I popped out, they decided at the last minute that they really wanted a girl. So my parents, who were on a waiting list, got a call in the middle of the night asking, "We've got an unexpected baby boy. Do you want him?" They said, "Of course."
Unexpected baby.
My biological mother found out later that my mother had never graduated from college and that my father had never graduated from high school. She refused to sign the final adoption papers. She only relented a few months later when my parents promised that I would
They are
go to college.
adopted parents.
This was the start.
Original mother abandoned. It happens in a...
And 17 years later, I did go to college. But I naively chose a college that was almost as expensive as Stanford. And all of my working class parents' savings were being spent on my college tuition. After 6 months, I couldn't see the value in it. I had no idea what I wanted to do with my life, and no idea how college was going to help me figure it out. And here I was, spending all the money my parents had saved their entire life. So I decided to drop out and trust that it would all work out okay. It was pretty scary at the time, but looking back, it was one of the best decisions I ever made. The minute I dropped out, I could stop taking the required classes that didn't interest me and begin dropping in on the ones that looked far more interesting. It wasn't all romantic. I didn't have a dorm room, so I slept on the floor in friends' rooms. I returned Coke bottles for the 5-cent deposits to buy food with. And I would walk the 7 miles across town every Sunday night to get one good meal a week at the Hare Krishna temple. I loved it. And much of what I stumbled into by following my curiosity and intuition turned out to be priceless later on. Let me give you one example. Reed College at that time offered perhaps the best calligraphy instruction in the country. Throughout the campus, every poster, every label on every drawer was beautifully hand calligraphed. Because I had dropped out and didn't have to take the normal classes, I decided to take a calligraphy class to learn how to do this. I learned about serif and sans serif typefaces, about varying the amount of space between different letter combinations, about what makes great typography great. It was beautiful, historical, artistically subtle in a way that science can't capture, and I found it fascinating. None of this had even a hope of any practical application in my life. But 10 years later, when we were designing the first Macintosh computer, it all came back to me. And we designed it all into the Mac. It was the first computer with beautiful typography. If I had never dropped in on that single course in college, the Mac would have never had multiple typefaces or proportionally spaced fonts. And since Windows just copied the Mac, it's likely that no personal computer would have them. If I had never dropped out, I would have never dropped in on that calligraphy class, and personal computers might not have the wonderful typography that they do. Of course, it was impossible to connect the dots looking forward when I was in college, but it was very, very clear looking backwards 10 years later. Again, you can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. You have to trust in something, your gut, destiny, life, karma, whatever. Because believing that the dots will connect down the road will give you the confidence to follow your heart, even when it leads you off the well-worn path, and that will make all the difference. My second story is about love and loss.
Steve Jobs died a billionaire at the age of 56 with a capital of $7 billion from pancreatic cancer, and these are just some of his last words at this moment. Lying in bed, ill and remembering my whole life, I realize that all the recognitions and wealth are insignificant in the presence of imminent death. As we get older, we get smarter, and we slowly understand that whether the clock is worth $30 or $300, they both show the exact same time. Whether we drive a 150,000 car or a 2,000 car, we'll arrive at the same destination. So there are 5 facts that cannot be denied. Don't educate your children to be rich. Your children now educate them to be happy. So when they grow up, they will know the value of things and not their price. Eat your food as a medicine. Otherwise, you will have to eat your medicine as food. The one who loves you will never leave you. Even if you have 100,000, you will always find a reason to hold on. There's a big difference between being a human and being. If you want to go fast, go alone. But if you...
Growing, changing the lives, your own, touching others' lives as partners, your team, you will understand.
what I realized is that, setbacks, rejections, I've seen so many rejections, but rejections will be a part of your life. And what is success? Success for me is never about winning a crown or winning any pageant or winning any competition. Success for me was definitely about picking up myself the next time again after I fell down. That was success to me. Success, different definition. Every time you fall, the way you pick yourself up is success. The capsule is just simple, that firstly you need to dream big. Once you dream big, you need to have a vision. Once you have a vision, you need to plan yourself. And once you plan yourself, you need to start executing that plan. And you need to work hard towards that plan. And you need to know that failures will be a part of your journey, but how you move ahead, overcoming those failures is what defines you and what gives the definition of a life to you.
Rejections are not that nobody will grow. The secret of growth is rejection. किसी ने नहीं आएंगे, किसी ने वो छोड़ देंगे, किसी ने हमको सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे, किसी से मदद नहीं करेंगे, किसी ने बताया मैं ज्वाइन नहीं करूँगा। क्या दुनिया गिरेंगे? आसमान गिरेंगे? नहीं गिरेंगे। वही है सीक्रेट ऑफ सक्सेस। जब तक आप रिजेक्शन को रेडी नहीं होंगे, आप सक्सेसफुल नहीं होंगे।
A yoga practitioner, a philanthropist, an eco-activist, I can assure you that I have seen failures in every step of these achievements. I have failed once, I have failed twice and thrice. But waking up again the next day morning and having a new hope again is what made me stand again in front of you all. To be able to be successful, the only key is to utilize your time properly and your opportunities properly, to dream big, have a vision, and to execute that vision with a discipline and have a positive outlook towards your life. Believe in the supreme power and believe in your own self. A lot of us see a lot of failures in life. Only when you know how to overcome the biggest failure in your life, you would know how to sustain yourself.
Failures are the stepping stone to success. जब तक आप फेल होने को तैयार नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ कहीं भी आप नहीं रुकेंगे, कहीं भी नहीं रुकेंगे।
Many people speak before they think. But I know the value of words. Words can make you, break you, they can heal your soul, they can damage you forever. So I always try to use the positive words in my life wherever I go. They call it adversity, I call it opportunity. They call it weakness, I call it strength. They call me disabled, I call myself differently abled. They see my disability.
I call it ability.
They see my disability, I see my ability. There are some incidents that happen in your life, and those incidents are so strong that they change your DNA. Those incidents or accidents are so strong that they break you physically. They deform your body, but they transform your soul.
It takes its own time, 10 years, 15 years, doesn't matter. Before you become at least 50, 60,
2 years.
remaining life at least you can enjoy peacefully. के बाद आप महसूस करें, अभी आपको मालूम नहीं होता क्या ये पागल फ्रीडम चलाता है, फ्रीडम क्या है, वो क्या है, पॉलिटिकल क्या है, जायदाद क्या है, कुछ भी मालूम नहीं होता, बिकॉज कुछ भी नहीं दिखता है आपको आंखों। जब सब कुछ को हासिल करेंगे तभी आपको मालूम आता है, जब वो हाथ में आता, आपका मुट्ठी में आता है, आपका मुट्ठी में आना।
Yes.
You have to realize.
Yes.
It will take some time. था, साइकिल भी नहीं था, मेरे साथ भी अभी साइकिल भी नहीं है, मेरे बच्चों को भी साइकिल नहीं होंगे, कार छोड़ो, वही रोते ही बैठेंगे, जनरेशन टुगेदर, नो चेंजेस। क्यों? वो दादाजी से परदादा से परदादा शुरू हो गया रोना। किसी ने उसको डिसीजन लिया रोकने को। मेरे से ये बदलेंगे, मेरे खानदान का फ्यूचर किससे बदलेंगे? मेरे से बदलेंगे। निर्णय लेंगे आज। तभी आप देखेंगे एक दिन सबको बदल कर आप जाएंगे, ये दुनिया को छोड़कर जाएंगे, कुछ करके रहे। एक लीडर दुनिया में है, किसी भी कंपनी DXL के ऊपर जो है हाईएस्ट लेवल्स ऑफ सेल्स, नंबर 1 है, 2 है, 3 है, बिकॉज वी आर स्टिल इन द 13-14 रैंकिंग। जो हमारे आगे है कोई भी कंपनी नहीं है, ये लीडर उसके टीम में 1 करोड़ लोग 10 मिलियन पीपल आते हैं सिंगल लीडर के साथ। वो अभी भी दिखते हैं गरीब लोगों के साथ। हेलो, अमीर के साथ नहीं हूँ, गरीब लोगों को बदलने के लिए मैं चिल्ला कर क्या मुझे पागल है आज से ये संडे में इतना इमोशनली। किसी का लाइफ कूली करने वाला का लाइफ को पढ़ो, बिहार का स्टोरी को पढ़ो, यूपी का स्टोरी को पढ़ो, झारखंड गरीब छूट इंडिया का स्टोरी को। कितना गरीब लोगों ने वो सोच भी नहीं थे, झोंपड़ी भी नहीं है, वो भी पानी बरसात आ गई तो झोंपड़ी में पानी आ, घर नहीं। ये लोग पक्का घर बने तो, कार लिए तो, जायदाद बने तो, एसेट बने तो, आपका लाइफ यहाँ उसका बहुत बेटर है। थोड़ा काम करो। जब तक काम करने के सोच नहीं आएंगे, इस तरह का लोगों कैसे बदला सोच में निर्णय लो, उसका ड्रीम मैं कर सकता हूँ। अभी भी मैं नहीं दिखता हूँ, अभी मैं पुराना था, मैं क्या बता, आपने 3 वर्ष हो गए इन दुबई। वेरी रेयरली आई गो टू इंडिया। आई वाज ऑलमोस्ट, मैंने लास्ट जुलाई को गया, आप नेरिंग 1 ईयर आई हैव नॉट कम।